welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we want to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and this has been the classes your 63rd classes, where we had completed your 62th classes in the last classes that we have discussed here. In quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability, where we had completed your operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers. Then we have your done decimal fraction, simplification, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, such. And then this has been the 10th topic, which we have is your percentage as well. And before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, in percentage, we had completed lastly, which has been the 65th question of the session. From today we have to start discussing about the 66th question of the session. The question that is being as follows: a housewife saved rupees 2.50 in buying an items on sale. If she spent rupees 25 for it item, approximately how much percent she saved in the transactions here? That what we have to talk about it. And on the same basis, we have an options here as well. The options we have is 8%, 9%, and they are which has been the 10% and 11%, and that has been the important here. So for the same sake, this question has been asked in your competition paper, which is in the section officer examination paper, and that has been the important one as well. For the same, go ahead. A housewife saved rupees 2.50 in buying an item on sale. If she spent rupees 25 for the item, approximately how much percent she saved in the transaction that we have. So for the same, this has been asked in section officer examination paper, as I told you, and that has been the important one as well. So we'll go ahead for the solution for the same here as well. So here we go ahead, and that is the actual price. Actual price equals to rupees 25 plus 2.50, which is equals to rupees 27.50. So saving equals to 2.50 upon 27.50 into 100%, which is equals to 100 upon 11. So that has been, it has been, upon that what we had covered up here. So which is the percent equals to 9, 1 upon 11%, that is equals to 9% here. That we have here, that will be the right answer for this question as well. So we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one as well, and which has been as follows, which has been the 67th question of the session. The question is states that how many liters of pure acid are there in 8 liter of 20% solution? So we'll go ahead here. How many liter of pure acid are there in 8 liters of a 20% solution? So options we have 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 and 2.4. For the same, we'll find out the solution here for the same, and that is the quantity of a pure acid equals to 20% of a 8 liter, that is of pure acid, is equals to 20% of 8 liter, which is equals to 20 upon 100 into 8, 0 being cancelled by 0, and then 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and it will be but we can say that here as well, that this 2 8s are 16, we'll put the value here for the same, so we can do that. 2 8s are 16 and we'll put the 0 here, so it will be 1.6 liter. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead further, which has been the another important question, and that is we have to talk about it, which has been as follows. Let's go ahead for next, which is your 68 question of the session. The question is, Rajiv's buy good worth rupees 6,650. He gets a rebate of 6% on it. After getting the rebate, he pays sales tax at the rate 10%. Find the amount he will have to pay for the goods here. This has been the question has been asked in math examination paper, which has been the important one. The options for the same is 6,876.10, 6,999.20, 6,654 and 7,000 here itself. That's what we have to talk about it. So this has been asked in, as I told you, been asked in math examination paper. We'll go ahead for the same. Rajiv buys good worth rupees 6,650. He gets a rebate of 6% on it. After getting the rebate, he pays a sale tax at the rate 10%. Find the amount he will have to pay for the goods. Here, as I told you, this has been asked here in math examination paper, and that has been the important one as well. So on the same cases, we go ahead for this, which is we have as follows. So here for this, that's what we have to talk about it. As for rebate, equals to 6% of rupees 6,650 is equals to rupees 6 upon 100 into 6,650 equals to rupees 399. This has been asked in math examination paper as well. For that, sales tax equals to 10% of rupees, which is 6650 minus 399 equals to rupees 10 upon 100 into 6251 equals to rupees 625.10. Final amount equals to rupees 6251 plus 625.10 equals to rupees 6876.10. Yeah, that will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead for the next, and that we have to talk about it, which is being the important one as well. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that is being asked in your hotel management question paper as well. The question states that 69th question of the session is here. How many liter which one of the following shows the best percentage? This has been asked in hotel management question paper. Options we have here is 384 upon 640, 425 upon 500, 570 upon 700, and 480 upon 660 as well. So we'll go ahead for the same here. 384 upon 540 equals to 384 upon 540 into 100% equals to 71 1 upon 9%. So 425 upon 600, or we can say that 500, which is being equals to 425 upon 500 into 100 for others, that is being equals to 85% here. That will be having as an answer 570 upon 700 is equals to 570 upon 700 into 100 equals to 81 3 upon 7% is equal. So for the same, 480 upon 680 equals to 480 upon 660 into 100%, which is being equals to 72 8 upon 11% here. So 425 upon 500 shows the best percentage. Now we'll talk about the another question, that what we have to talk about it, which is the another important question here as well, and which is being asked follows. That is 70th question of the session. The question we have here is 5% of 25% of rupees 1600 is. So options we have here: rupees 5, rupees 17.50, rupees 20, and rupees 25 here. So for the same we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one as well. So on the same, half of it will go ahead here, and that what we have to talk about it here. So which is being 5% of 25% of rupees 1600 equals to rupees 5 upon 100 into 25 upon 100 into 1600 is equals to rupees 20. That we have as an answer as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question. We have to talk about it, which has been the another important question, as that has been the 71st question of the sessions as well, and that what we have to talk about it. So 0.15% of 33 1/3% of rupees 10,000 is, so this has been asked in SSC examination paper as well. That has been important one as well here for the same, and which we have to talk about it. So we will go ahead here for the same solution for this. 0.15% of 33 1 by 3 of rupees 10,000 equals to rupees 15 upon 100 into 1 upon 100 into 100 upon 3 into 1 upon 100 into 10,000 that we have. So where that is being cancelled it out, what we'll get here is your rupees 5 will be the right answer for this question as well, because these 0 to 0 is being deleted by from here. This has been the 100 here, and that is 100 and 100, that has been the 1000, and that has been divided by, it is just 3 here itself. So 1000 divided by the 3, and it will be cancel it out by the further 100 as well. So it has been the 2 zeros coming towards this, then 2 zeros will cancel by this 2 0 will cancel by this as well. So here it is 5, and this is not all we had left with. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So rupees 5 will be the right answer for this question as well. Go ahead with another question. 72 with the question of the sessions here. So the questions we have as follows, that what we have to talk about it. 30% of 28% of 480 is the same as, the options we have: 15% of 56% of 240, 60% of 28% of 240, 60% of 56% of 240, and none of these. Let's go ahead for the same. %60 that we have here of 28% of 240 equals to 60 upon 100 into 28 upon 100 into 240 equals to 30 upon 100 into 28 upon 100 into 2 into 240, the same 30 upon 100 into 28 upon 100 into 480 equals to 30% of 28% of 480. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead further, which will talk about the 73rd question of the sessions here, and that has been the important one as well. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that has been the important one. We'll go ahead with 73rd question of the sessions as well. 73rd question of the sessions, we talk about it, and that has been the important one here. So for the same, the question that has been asked here, and that what we have to talk about it. What is a 25% of 25% equals to, that we have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead for the same. So here we go ahead. What is 25% of 25% equal to? So this has been asked here. So the options we have 0.00625, 0.0625, 0.625, and 6.25 that we have here. So for the same, we have to go ahead for the same. Let's find it out. 25% of 25% equals to 25 upon 100. We open it out, 25 upon 100, then 25 upon 100 as well equals to, so it will be 25 on the 25, 25 for the 100, 25 on the 25, 24 for the 100, 4 4s are 16, so that is equals to 1 upon 16, which is equals to 0.0625. that will be having as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another question that has been asked here. What percent is 3% of 5% here? 74th question of the sessions here. So that is, what percent is 3% of 5%? Options we have 15%, is 30%, 50%, and 60% as well. So we'll go ahead for the same here. That is being important. So which has been as follows: required percentage equals to 3% upon 5% into 100%, which is equals to 3 upon 100 whole upon 5 upon 100 into 100. So this has been equals to 60. That will be the right answer. 60% will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be going ahead with another one that we have to talk about it, which has been the another important questions here. So which has been as follows, as your 75th question of the sessions as well, and that has been the important one here to discuss about it. So 75th, 73 and then 74 and 75, the question of the session is that what we have to discuss here. So that has been as follows: 4598 is 95% of, this is being here, the options we have 4800, 4840, 4850, 4880, and that we have to talk about it, that what we have to answer it out as well. So which has been the solution for the same we have, let 95% x equals to 4598 is equals, that is that is of as I told you, of x, that is equals to 459, then 95 upon 100 into x equals to 4598, or x equals to 4598 into 100 upon 95, which is equals to 4840. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which has been the another important question as well, that is we have to talk about it, which has been the 76th question of the sessions as well. So the question for the same is question mark percent of 360 equals to 129.60. This has been asked in bank PO question paper that we have here, and that what we have to talk about it. So we'll solve it out for the same here, and that has been important too. And for the same, it is the question being as follows, that x percent of 360 equals to 129.6, then x upon 100 into 360 equals to 129.6 upon 100, then or x equals to 1296 upon 10 into 100 upon 360. So this is being we have. So when that is being cancel it out, we'll get here is 36 will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be going ahead where in the end up here only, so that we'll discuss many of the rest of the questions in the next coming class, and which has been the important one as well, and that what we even have to discuss about it. So we'll discuss the 77th question of the sessions in the last classes, and that has been important too, and the 64th classes will start discussing about in the next coming class as well. So here we'll be ending it up in this way, And before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, we had done your sociology and software engineering, where in the same cases we talk about it. We had done your chemistry for, that has been the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9, the conversions, the logarithms, as well as the symbols, elements, and atomic masses and molar masses as well. Other than that, we are talking about DBMS, where we had done the different types of weir diagrams, and as well as the units for the DBMS, that is the database management system. After talking about that, we are dealing with understanding the human being comprehensively, and the human aspiration and its fulfillment as well. After talking about that, we are dealing with the quantitative aptitude, where we had completed your the verbal reasoning, which has been the general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had done your series analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, full detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dies as well. And the dot situation we have to cover up in the next coming class, that what we have to discuss here. After that, talking about it, we are have to deal with coming towards to quantitative aptitude. And thus this has been divided into two sections, which is in the arithmetical ability and data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had done your on operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sorts, and this is percentage. This has been the 10th topic that we are dealing here. After that, we'll deal with the profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work by consistent, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allocations or mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combinations. And then what we have to discuss here is your probability, true discount, banker's discount, height and distance, odd man out series as well. After talking about in terms of data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs as well. So here we'll be ending it up here only, and it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well in terms of it. And that those viewers and those subscribers, those who had visited our channel, thanks to all of you, because your support and your suggestion is very important to us, and which is being required as well. And the things that what we have to share with you is that we had reached the subscribers of near about 3K, and but the viewers that the views is not that much that we had uploaded of your choice videos in terms of ER diagram, in terms of the subject, in terms of any of the things that you had requested and we had uploaded for the same, and in terms of reasoning, in terms of quantitative aptitude as well. So from my side, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you. If you enjoy this video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give your suggestion on the comment box, and your suggestions and appreciations as well, and that has been important to us. Thank you.